welcome back to my YouTube channel. So onto this video, I'm going to unbox the KitchenAid Mixer and this attachment. So this KitchenAid Mixer, my husband got it for me for Christmas, and then this one is from my brother-in-law and his family. So first, I'm going to unbox the mixer and then this one. So let's do it. Excited? Excited? Let's do that. So we are going to open it. Open it. So on top there is a paper. Thank you. Mercy, gracias, here for purchasing the mixer. Oh my god, I'm so excited to get the other attachment of this. So this is the few different kinds of attachment that you can get. As you can see, there's for pasta, for grinder, the meat, or if you want to make some tomato sauce, slicing some veggies, pasta. That's cool. Oh my god! Put it here in the chair. It's too big. It's too... I know. It's heavy. It's heavy. Oh. What is this? Oh, it came with lid. So when you're, you put the flour, it won't spread or splashing everywhere. Oh, there's a lid. Oh my gosh, look at that. Pretty. Yeah, it came with lid. So while you're making like cake batter and then you add the flour slowly, the flour won't like splashes everywhere. Oh my god. And so this is the dough hook. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's heavy. It's very heavy. Let me grab it in the bottom because it's very heavy. So it came with the instruction. Very heavy. One direction. So this is the dough hook, and this is the cake batter hook. Okay. Up and down. Cool. And this is the for whipping some cream that you can use. Cool. And this is the 6 quart. 6 quart. So this is the adjustment that you can do. 10. So we're gonna learn. So this one. So I'm done unboxing with the mixer. And this is our 3 hooks here. And this cover. And now we are going to unbox the fresh fruit slicer shredder. And this one. Let's do it. KitchenAid thing. Fancy. Oh, I need to remove some plastic right here because they put plastic on it. How satisfying. I want to show you how satisfying it is. Very satisfying. It's nice. So when it's new, they put some plastic in here. As you can see. Cool. So now our mixer is officially unboxed. Wow, that's so cool. Very fancy. Look at that packaging. It's nice. So there's a 3 different kind of shredder or slicer. So there's 1, 2, and then the other one is already inside on this attachment. But look at that, very fancy. So they have this one here, slice and shred. So if you're gonna make some pickle, homemade pickle, like in the summer you have a cucumber in your garden and you can make some pickle, you can slice using this one of the attachment. So this is the first shredder and this is the other shredder, and then the slicer is in this one. It's inside. So cool. And so this is the slicer. And then this one will go right here. Yeah. Then you're gonna tighten it up. Oh, cool. That one. And then this is the, oh, what's this for? Oh. If you want just a small piece, if you're slicing vegetables, so you can push it like that. And then the small piece. That's so cool. And then now you can put this there. I think I will just put it there. Now it's on. Oh, cool. So, I'll show you here. So we already attached the attachment, and then you will tighten up here. This is like a screw to tighten it. You put the slicer right there. It will click, I guess. I click, and then you click this one here, so it will fall off. And then this one more attachment. Oh, fancy. It worked all of it. Cool. We have a new toy. It worked. Oh, So guys, that's it for our unboxing. So this KitchenAid mixer is 6 quarts, which is you can mix with 13,000 of cookies. And I think you can buy 8 quarts as well, but that's really for big batches. But this is good enough for just, for home cooking. And I'm so excited to use this. Maybe I'm gonna make a strawberry cake today. Oh gosh. And this is, you can pour your flour right here, and then when you're mixing, it won't splatter the flour everywhere, because it's kinda like lead, and it's easy to pour. There's a big hole in there. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye!